Hey, what's up, BuySmart fam? Welcome back to another episode where we do the hard work so you don't have to. Today, we have a vacuum showdown that's going to suck the dirt right out of your carpets. On the left, we have the Roborock Q7 Max Plus, the vacuum that promises to be your new best friend. And on the right, we have the eufy X10 Pro Omni, the vacuum that says, "I'll clean your house better than your teenager ever will." Let's dive in and see which one is worth your hard-earned cash. First up, the all-important price tag. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus will set you back a cool $869, while the eufy X10 Pro Omni is a bit more budget-friendly at $799. So if you want to save some dough for that overpriced latte, eufy's got your back. But hey, sometimes you get what you pay for, so let's see if that extra $70 for the Roomba is worth it. Both these bad boys promise hands-free cleaning, but let's see who does it better. Roborock Q7 Max Plus says it can give you 7 weeks of freedom with its 2.5L dust bag. Not bad, but wait. eufy X10 Pro Omni takes it up a notch with a dust bag that needs replacing every 2 months and even washes its own mop pads. It's like having a vacuum with OCD. According to reviewers, the Roomba's auto-empty dock is convenient, but eufy's self-cleaning mop feature is a game-changer. Next, let's talk about suction power. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus boasts a strong 4,200 pascal suction. Impressive, right? Well, hold your applause because the eufy X10 Pro Omni comes in like a wrecking ball with a whopping 8,000 pascal suction. That's almost enough to suck the wrinkles out of your grandma's face. Sorry, Roomba, eufy just vacuumed you under the rug. Reviewers have praised the eufy's exceptional suction power, especially for pet hair, while the Roomba is also noted for its strong performance. Now, on to mopping. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus can vacuum and mop simultaneously, and it offers 30 water flow levels. Fancy? But the eufy X10 Pro Omni says, "Hold my mop water," with its dual mop pads that rotate 180 times per minute and apply 1 kilogram of downward pressure. It's like a mini army of clean freaks scrubbing your floor. Plus, it lifts the mops when it detects carpet. Talk about smart. Reviewers have highlighted eufy's superior mopping capabilities, making it a great choice for those with hard floors. Navigation is crucial, unless you want your vacuum to be as lost as you are in a shopping mall. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus uses PreciSense LiDAR navigation for precise mapping and even offers a 3D view of your home. But eufy X10 Pro Omni isn't sitting this one out. It comes with AI, smart cleaning, capable of identifying over 100 objects, and iPath laser navigation for efficient routes. It's like having a vacuum with a PhD in spatial awareness. Both products are praised for their advanced navigation, but eufy gets a slight edge for its AI capabilities. Pet owners, listen up. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus comes with an all-rubber brush that resists hair tangles. Sounds good, right? But eufy X10 Pro Omni says, "Not so fast," with its auto-detangling roller brush that rotates in reverse to remove hair. It's like having a vacuum that also moonlights as a hairdresser. Reviewers, especially pet owners, have found eufy's hair management features to be particularly effective. Both vacuums only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so if you're trying to impress your friends with your high-speed 5 GHz network, these vacuums will just laugh at you and say, "Nice try, buddy." Reviewers haven't found this to be a major issue, but it's something to keep in mind. Overall, both the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and eufy X10 Pro Omni have received high praise from reviewers. The Roomba is noted for its powerful suction, smart navigation, and convenience features, though some find it pricey. Meanwhile, the eufy impresses with its exceptional suction power, innovative self-cleaning features, and superior hair management, making it a favorite among pet owners. Alright, bye smart fam, that wraps up our vacuum showdown. The Roomba Q7 Max Plus and eufy X10 Pro Omni both bring their A game, but which one will you invite to your cleaning party? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.